It is a very cold day outside, and Ferdinand is a very smart cat and has come in the house numerous times today to be near the fire. Can you hear him purring? Are you so happy, Ferdinand? Oh, I'm so glad. You're a happy cat? Tell me how cold it is outside. I believe the wind chill is about 4. And I mean 4 degrees. It is really, really cold. Not as cold as somewhere in the country. Some places are like really having a lot of snow. They're having a very hard time where the cold is not amusing. What do you think about that, Ferdinand? You just going to ignore everything and continue to sleep? It's okay with me. That is a wonderful thing to do on a cold winter day. Sleep tight. Did you have something you wanted to say, Ferdinand? Did you have something you wanted to say? My mistake. I thought you did. No? Yes, it's very cold. But you have a nice and toasty place